Hi, and welcome back to Scratch. Today, we're going to make a brown sugar and honey glazed ham. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need a pre-cooked ham, a cup of brown sugar, a half cup of apple cider vinegar, a half cup of butter, a half cup of honey, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, a half teaspoon of garlic powder, a half teaspoon of paprika, and a quarter teaspoon each of ground cinnamon and ground cloves. We'll start by preheating our oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, we'll prepare our ham for baking. This is a spiral cut ham, so the rind has already been removed. If yours has a rind, remove it and score your ham with a diamond pattern. We'll then pat the ham with paper towel to dry it, before spraying a roasting pan and pouring a half cup of apple cider vinegar in the bottom. Then we'll put the ham on the rack and tin it with foil. The apple cider vinegar will steam the ham and counterbalance our sweet brown sugar glaze. Once we've prepared our ham and preheated our oven, we'll cook it for 15 minutes per pound at 325 degrees. While the ham is baking, we'll start our glaze. We'll melt a half cup of butter over medium heat. Then we'll stir in a cup of brown sugar to dissolve it. After we've dissolved our brown sugar, we'll stir in our half cup of honey, half teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of paprika, 2 tablespoons of mustard, and quarter teaspoon cinnamon and ground cloves. We'll then cook our glaze, stirring occasionally until it reaches a low simmer. This should take between 5 and 8 minutes. Once our glaze starts to bubble, we'll stir it down and remove it from the heat until we're ready to glaze our ham. During the last 30 minutes of baking, we'll glaze our ham. We'll remove our ham from the oven and remove the foil tint, and increase the temperature to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Then we'll brush half our glaze over the ham, being sure to brush the glaze into any cuts or scores. We'll then put it back in the oven for 15 minutes before glazing a second time. After we've baked on our second glaze, we'll remove our ham from the oven and serve it with all of our holiday sides. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.